Alright. What's this one?
Honda. Ford.
Can you tell what this one is? It's a hard one.
A D.
Yeah?
D. E.
That spells Dodge.
Dodge.
What's this one?
Kia. Toyota. Hyundai. Honda.
Ooh, this is a good one.
BMW.
Right. Don't see a logo on this one. What about that one?
No.
What's that one?
That's a V. That's a J E E P.
What's that?
It's a J E E P.
What is that?
Jeep.
That's right.
That's Chevy.
Yeah?
Chevy.
Mm-hmm.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Ford.
Yeah?
That's a Chevy.
Okay.
That's a Ford.
Yeah?
That's a Chevy race car.
Right.
That is a Toyota.
And this is ours. Which one's this one?
Ford.
All right.
That's the race car.